Seagull and Mr. are hanging out together this morning. They're doing so well. I think they've stopped doing their calls now, though. You guys doing good? You guys gonna have a nice day today, boys? Yeah. Seagull's saying that's his spot. Seagull, you being a good boy? You're gonna have a nice day today? Yeah. Mister, did you get enough to eat? You guys being good boys? Good boys. We had a lot of excitement while they were eating, but now we finished eating, so everything's calmed down. There goes Mister. Have a nice day, Mister. Seagull, did you get enough banana, Nana? Seagull here had a little bit of tuna left in his can, just a tiny bit left. And he actually let Mr. eat it without going after him. Didn't you, Seagull? Seagull's a good boy. That was really nice of you, Seagull. I was trying to take 2 tuna cans out. But the food bank gave me the Duchess tuna, which is a really bad quality tuna. And I opened it up and it was all just completely mush, water. None of it was actual meat. It was all like completely disintegrated. And so I threw it out. Seagull, you're a good boy. You're a good boy, Seagull. Do you want a little bit of banana? Do you want a little bit more of the banana that's up here? Have you had enough, buddy? Do you want some popcorn? Do you want some popcorn or some banana? What do you guys think he wants? Popcorn or banana? Get those out. Got real quiet now. Seagull, ready? Oh, he's gonna leave it. Now that Mister's not here, he's not screaming at food. Do you want a little bit of banana? Are you doing good? Did you have enough breakfast yet? A little bit of banana, nana. Banana, nana. Ready, Seagull? Good job. You don't want the other piece? No. You're gonna have a nice day today, Seagull. I guess everything's calmed down. I'm pretty sure he's out of his tuna. There's none left. Good boy, Seagull. Is that Mr. coming in? This is Mr. coming in. Oh my gosh. Here comes Mr. Mr. came back to visit Seagull. Ready, guys? Who wants banana? Seagull's like, you can't have it, mister. Seagull's trying to make sure Mister doesn't get the banana even though he's not eating it. Trying to do this one-handed. Trying to get the banana. Oh man. Ready, guys? Ready? Good job, guys. Trying to get one more piece out. Ready? This is a couple pieces. Ready? They haven't had a big breakfast like this for a while. That is a cigarette vegetable. Good job, good boys. That was the last of the banana. You guys gonna have a nice day today? I had a lot to do. My storage unit keys were stolen. Yeah. Guys, that's not very clean water. What you guys doing? What you guys doing? You're in the road. You're in the road, boys. They're doing like the kind of calls that they're doing right now are kind of like bonding calls. And Seagull's picking up a little twig area thing because he's saying that this property is where he gets to stay. This is their land. This is their land. This is your land, huh, Seagull? Yeah. It's your land, your property. It's your road. He's saying it's his road. Yeah, he put it down there because and he put it down right there because he's saying that's his road. Come on, guys. He's like, you keep telling us to stay out of the road, but it's ours. It's our property. You guys came and destroyed it. I'm probably gonna go here in a minute. Seagull, you gonna be okay? You guys gonna be okay? Yeah. That's your guys' property, huh? Since the car is probably gonna come pretty soon. I think I hear a car coming, guys, and the light's green. Come on. Come on, guys. Car. Thank you, children. Yeah. So I'm gonna go. Have a nice day, everybody. Have a nice, the seagulls say hi. They say hi, have a nice day, everybody. Yeah.